one.
The Marcy ME-708 Magnetic Resistance Exercise Bike. Looking to shed those extra pounds and inches, but can't fit a large exercise equipment piece in your home? The ME-708 is your answer. The ME-708 has many of the same features found on larger, more expensive exercise bikes, but in a smaller package. The ME-708 features smooth, quiet magnetic resistance. Shape, firm and tone your body while improving your stamina, metabolic rate, and cardiovascular conditioning. It's equipped with 8 preset levels of resistance, a seat height adjustment that accommodates different body types, an easy-to-read computer display that shows you speed, distance, time, and calories burned, and a comfortable padded seat. The ME-708 is easily rolled away for storage when you're done with your workout, and it comes with Marcy's 2-year limited warranty.
Laser Packer is a cool and handheld laser engraver. It is super small and good looking. Easy to install. Connect to your phone app. Select an image. Start engraving. Make your inspiration come true. Laser Packer engraves on wood, leather, and various materials with a unique galvanometer technology.